Hey lawyers, today is about 5 reasons why you should hire a marketing agency. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing specialist, website developer, and video production expert. There are a few reasons why lawyers are hesitant about hiring a marketing agency like ours. And one reason could be putting out the wrong message. There's a lot to know about what is permissible by your bar association. But once you and your agency understand what works by creating a document with your specific rules, you can trust them to work for you seamlessly. Let's look at several reasons why a law firm might want to consider hiring a marketing agency. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Let's look at several reasons why a law firm might want to consider hiring a marketing agency. Expertise. Marketing agencies specialize in creating and implementing marketing strategies. They have the knowledge and experience to help a law firm develop and execute a marketing plan that is tailored to its specific needs, goals, and practice area. Time saving. Marketing can be time-consuming, and especially for law firms that are focused on serving their clients and handling cases. By hiring a marketing agency, law firms can free up their time to focus on their core business while the agency can handle the marketing efforts. Resource optimization. Marketing agencies have the access to a wide range of resources, including skilled professionals, technology, and data, and these can help the law firm optimize its marketing efforts and get the best results possible. Cost effective. Marketing agencies can often provide a more cost-effective solution than hiring an in-house marketing director. This is because agencies can offer economies of scale and shared costs across multiple clients. Fresh perspective. Marketing agencies bring a fresh perspective to law firm marketing efforts. They can provide new ideas and approaches that a firm may not have considered on its own. Overall, hiring a marketing agency can help a law firm improve its marketing efforts and achieve better results. I hope that this information has been interesting and informative, maybe even inspiring. Stay in touch with me. Email me anytime, mary@GoMediaMarketing.com, and here's to your success. Contact us today and learn how GoMedia Marketing Productions can help your law firm grow. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.